How to fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on Windows. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue while you're playing Roblox. This is very easy fix. So all you have to do first is to locate your Roblox player icon on your Windows. Next is to right click on the icon and then hit on properties. Now from properties, you can go to compatibility and you can choose on run compatibility troubleshooter. If they find out that there are some specific issues that is currently ongoing on this client that you have, then simply run a scan and it will automatically fix by itself. Next thing you want to do is to right click on Roblox player, then go back to properties once again, go into compatibility, and then on compatibility mode, tick this box that says run this program, compatible mode 4. Choose the specific Windows that you have currently installed on your PC, and then choose on run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply and relaunch the game. And those are the things that you can do for you to fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on Windows.